Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can use grid lines for taking photos and videos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. First, go to the camera of your phone here and go to this settings icon and then go to grid lines. Just turn on this button and you can see the grid lines in the frame. Okay, so grid lines are used to center the subject. Suppose if you have the subject here, if you want to center it using the grid, you can make sure that you are perfectly place the subject in the center. Okay, so if you have multiple subject, if you want to focus on one subject and that subject should be in the center, such just you can make sure that they should appear within this line. Okay, so in this way you can easily fine tune the framing of your photo in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. Okay, see here. Now I tell one example. I would like to center this candy. Okay, exactly. I would like to center. This is the center. Okay, if you place like this, it's not center. Okay, because it crosses that line. Okay, so using grid you can place. Okay, suppose if you want to place one subject here and another subject here, just you can make sure that they are appearing here and you can finally fine tune and capture. Okay. Yes, if it is here, just you can adjust this subject. Okay, if a person standing here, just you can instruct him to move here and come to the frame. Okay, so in this way you can use different framing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s using the grid lines. Okay, I would like to center it. Just I would like to center it and see here. I take a photo. Okay, and see the object. So that is subject. It is exactly center of the frame. Okay, in this way you can easily use framing using grid lines in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.